When you cite a precedent, sir,
Please, नहीं आप बोलने दे, please.
when you cite a precedent, fair enough, for any subject, there are always 3 counter precedents. Leave that aside, sir. Let's today, on behalf of all of us, the LOP is not here, let's today make a commitment from here. On Monday morning, we will submit all on the subject of SIR 40
that
notices.
rule will apply.
You agree
That rule will apply.
take this subject up?
Rules will apply
You
to
agree?
that. Rules will apply to that.
Opposition.
There is
Sir,
a
one
rules will
minute.
apply to
Sir,
that.
one minute. Sir, one minute. Sir, one minute. Sir,
John
one
Britas.
minute.
John
Sir.
Britas. Yes, John Britas. John Britas, you tell. John Britas. Now John Britas. I have already given you also. Please. I have already, John Britas ji. I have already given you opportunity.
Sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute.
Sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Derek ji, 1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute, Derek ji. Derek Adnan ji, हाँ.
The other point is, sir,
Please, be brief. Please. हाँ. Please.
sir, I feel bad.
नहीं, please.
Because he's screaming. Sir, the other point is,
Please.
sir, the other point is, it is a democratic right.
Please.
Sir, I'm not finished.
Thank you.
There can be
But I have
multiple
already
subjects.
told. John Britas.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, rule 267 itself. Sir, sir, please allow me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in this rule book, which says the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha.
उसके बारे में बहुत विस्तार से मैंने explain कर दिया है.
Sir, allow me.
Rule 267 के बारे में बहुत विस्तार से
Please
बता
allow
दिया.
me. Please allow me. Page number 92, 267
I have read.
clearly specify how the members can put across an issue under 267. My submission to you, sir. Sir, my submission to you is that please do scrap this 267.
Please, I have already explained it in detail.
Please scrap this.
You
Why do you want
no,
this?
I have already explained.
Why do you want this?
I have already explained
Sir,
in detail.
scrap this. Scrap this 267. And sir,
Tiwari ji.
India is a rich
Tiwari ji,
country.
please. Nothing is going on record. तिवारी जी, आप बोलो.
सर, विनम्रता से मैं आग्रह करना चाहता हूं आपसे, आपके प्रति पूरा आदर व्यक्त करते हुए कि संपूर्ण विपक्ष चाहता है, मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए.
जी, मैं समझ गया.
संपूर्ण विपक्ष चाहता है कि सदन की कार्रवाई शांतिपूर्वक चले, जैसा आप भी चाहते हैं. मेरा एक सुझाव है 267 पर,
उस पर मैं स्पष्ट ओपिनियन दे चुका हूं.
आप एक देखें ना, इस पे जो रूलिंग है, जो वर्डिंग है, साफ है. जब देश के लोकतंत्र
प्रमोद जी, मैंने उस पर रूलिंग दे चुका. मैं रूलिंग दे चुका नहीं. तिरुचि शिवाजी,
खतरा हो,
तिरुचि शिवाजी, प्लीज. तिरुचि जी,
सर,
प्लीज 1 minute. प्लीज
sir,
तिरुचि जी.
The laid down rules of procedure and the conduct of business in the Council of States should not only be on paper, sir, but should also be in practice.
I have already explained in detail about it.
Kindly, please. When there is a rule, every day you are citing a reason why these notices are rejected. Kindly give us a clear picture of what are the reasons by which these are all rejected, so that we can check that and give us.
मैंने अपने previous
notice,
rulings
sir.
में I have already given all the reasons in detail. Members, please.
What's the use of this, sir?
This is 0 hour. This is 0 hour. आप please. No, not allowing. 0 hour, please. माननीय सदस्य, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, आज तक honorable members during the current session we had the opportunity to take up 195 star questions, 195 0-hour submissions and 195 special mentions on various important issues so far. However, due to continuous disruptions, we have been able to take up only 13 start questions, 5 0-hour submissions and 17 special mentions. Because of the disruptions, we have lost 56 hours and 49 minutes of the session so far. The House will meet at 12 noon today.